Hey folks, in this video I want to show you how to change the header image in the background of your internal pages. Now the header image here, you can use a different header image for the entire site and just change it once. I'll show you how to do that. Or you can have a specific header image for individual pages, and I'll show you how to update those as well. So we'll start with Dreamweaver, and I'm just going to open it up, and I'll open up the About Us pages just to show you as an example of how the image is loaded in. We'll just open this up. I'm just going to collapse the head tag for a second and the template header so we can get down to the showcase area right here. So where the showcase loads in, this link right here, and you'll see this pretty much throughout the template when we're using some sort of a background image. That is, we try to load it in directly as an inline image right here, so you can go and change it yourself. So if we're to hover over the image, you don't actually see it, but you can see the path to the image right here. Excuse me. It's the site themed images backgrounds section BGA. So if you wanted to change the header image for all pages across the entire site to be the same for all pages, all you have to do is create your own new background image. Name it section-bg-a.jpg, all lowercase, and put it into the site themed images backgrounds folder. So what we're saying is, in the site themed images and backgrounds, this image right here, that is the image that is shown on all pages by default. If you were to create a new image, and this image is 1920 by 1080, it's 1920 pixels wide by 1080 pixels tall. If you were to create your own image using the exact same name and just drop it in here, that would update every page across the board. You don't have to go in and make manual edits. However, if you wanted to have your own separate background image for individual pages, we'll use a different page here as an example, the services page. If we open that up, and once again, I'll just collapse this information here to give us a little bit of room. Right here, in the showcase section, all you have to do is change the name of this image right here. Now I recommend you put your replacement image into this backgrounds folder, and maybe if I were doing this build and I'm on the services page and I wanted a specific image just for my services page, I would create a new image. It would be 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels, and I would call it something like, I'm just going to copy and paste this, but I would call it services JPEG, just so I know it's named after the page, right? So it's going into the services page. I'm going to call it services JPEG. And then all I'm going to do right here is just change the name right here to services. There, you see it shows up right there. And then I would have my own unique image loading into this particular page.